Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Meet my little compact workforce. This little Eureka vacuum is my favorite cleaning tool. It is so lightweight and so easy to use. I can use it to clean regular floors, and just with a click, I can clean area rugs. It has a powerful suction, but with that little click, it makes it easy to be able to do the area rugs. I also like how this vacuum is very easy to break down. All the pieces come apart, and it's easy to break them down, make them smaller, and to store them. I also like how it has a brush that's attached to it, so it makes it easier to be able to clean underneath furniture or clean smaller areas that are hard to get to. And for me, the best part is that it's bagless. All I have to do is empty it out, take the pieces apart, and then I can wash them. Rinse out the filter and all the pieces, and it's super easy to do, takes just a few minutes, and then everything's all nice and clean. So if you're looking for a new, lightweight, easy to use, portable vacuum, I highly recommend this one. It's my favorite, and that is just my point of view.